What's up, fam? Let's get into some 1 minute scalping. What did he say? 1 minute scalping? Yes, 1 minute scalping. But we're doing it on the 3 minute chart, because here our indicators went, they were performing the best. So let's get into the first trade. What was happening right before this trade? We bounced off the 200 EMA and we have our sells. Now you might be asking, why didn't we take these sells? There's a nice grouping here and there's a nice grouping here. Why didn't we take those? Well, sometimes there are things that cancel out potential trades, like the fact that we're in an uptrend. This cancels out those trades pretty much. As soon as we start seeing these red lines, they start curving in, and after like the third try of the starting of a bear trend, after the third time, on the fourth time, a bear trend probably would start. So look at this. Once it goes through the 200, goes down, tries again 2, 3 times. Okay, fourth time could be the charm, so we took the trade and it worked out. It went right back to the 200 EMA. Okay, next trade. Where are the indicators? I might have moved this one. Anyways, we took the trade around here probably. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 grouping. We got a green dot here. It's the VWAPs crossed over and the Williams is in the pluses. So it went under the 200. We start seeing some reversals here. VWAPs getting closer to the plus. It's clearly oversold, and we start seeing 1, 2, 3 with the VWAP crossing over, maybe even 4 if we went in there. And this is enough confirmation for an uptrend. Small little scalp here. Yeah, we might have taken these on the 1 minute. That's why they're not at the right place. Sell. Red dot, VWAP crossing over, Williams. Here, grouping of buys, 1, 2, 3, 4. Green dot, VWAP, and Williams crossing over. Here, 1, 2, 3. We got a 4, and the Williams crossed over here, so we sold it. One, 2, 3, 4, these ones, 5, 6, green, and when the VWAP was crossing over, VWAP Williams, we took it. Look at this grouping, beautiful grouping, 4 or 5 cells. There's the VWAP and the Williams going down. Could have took more. Buy, big green dot, and confirmations everywhere. Buy, VWAP crossed over, Williams is in the pluses. Here we don't even see any confirmations. Not sure why we took it. Must have been the bounce off of the 50 EMA. Could have been so. Here we have this little hammer thing and the VWAP. Not this 1, 2. Man, that I don't even understand these trades. It might be on the 1 minute chart. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's in minuses. VWAP, Williams. We took this trade. And after a big downtrend, we wait for the reversal. So we start getting signals here. We went in here. We have another signal. VWAP's in the pluses. Williams has practically crossed over, and we start getting these buy signals. So we freaking take it for a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. Not too shabby. After it went up, we're looking for the down. This is a tricky one. You see the first one's a fake one, second one, 2 is kind of a fake, and the third one, it starts going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these confirmations. Big red dot, VWAP. Williams here has crossed over, and here's probably where we took it. Well, that's about it for now. That was a bunch of trades. Then we have this very big 2-hour chart trade, and yeah, that's how we use these 10 indicators. If you need them, send me an email. I will get you the indicators and their settings, because I don't use the stock settings. All right, hope you guys make some money with it. Deuces. Check out the mixtape, pre-2020 hip hop mixtape. Check it out, it's in my videos.